Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook hulled barley. First, rinse 1 cup of hulled barley thoroughly under cold water to remove any dust or debris. This initial step is crucial for a clean taste. Next, soaking the barley for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, significantly reduces its cooking time. Soaking also greatly improves the grain's texture, making it more tender, and enhances its digestibility, ensuring a more pleasant culinary experience. For stovetop cooking, combine 1 cup of your pre-soaked hulled barley with 3 cups of water or broth in a sturdy saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer gently. Cook for approximately 60 to 75 minutes, or until the barley is wonderfully tender and has absorbed most of the liquid, leaving a delightful, chewy texture. If you prefer a quicker method, a pressure cooker is an excellent choice. For this, use a 1:2 ratio of hulled barley to water or broth. Cook on high pressure for 20 to 25 minutes. After the cooking cycle, allow for natural pressure release to ensure the grains are perfectly cooked and fluffy. This method significantly shortens the overall cooking time, delivering perfectly tender hulled barley with minimal effort, making it ideal for busy schedules. Once your hulled barley is cooked, remember to fluff it gently with a fork before serving. This prevents clumping and ensures a light, airy texture. Hulled barley is incredibly versatile, making it a fantastic addition to hearty soups, comforting stews, refreshing salads, or simply as a nutritious side dish. Store any leftover cooked barley in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, allowing you to enjoy its benefits throughout the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.